So this is part two of the easy way of making questions. Remember, we have 4 rules. 2 rules are for yes/no questions, and those were in part 1. And then 2 rules are for WH questions, and this is in part 2. So when you have WH questions, you will put, same as in the yes/no question, you flip the subject and verb when the verb is to be. And then you put your WH word at the beginning. So it is over there in the question, you say, where is it? Flip. They are in the statement becomes what? They are happy in the statement becomes why are they happy? So let's see if we can try this one. Dwayne is in front. So try to make your yes/no, your WH question with to be. Pause it, write your question, and now unpause, and I'll give you the answer. So WH word is where, and then we flip the subject and verb is Dwayne. You see that? Dwayne is becomes is Dwayne, and then we have our WH word in front. I'll delete that. Now the final rule, WH words with other verbs. You put your WH word at the beginning of the sentence, like before. You add a helper verb, do. Remember, there are other helper verbs, but you add helper verb, do. And then your subject and verb, just like in your statement. You don't change the subject and verb. So, ESL 41 students study, subject and verb in this order. Then you put your WH word, how. Then you put your helper verb, do, and then you keep your subject and verb in the same order. How do ESL 41 students study? Do you see that? I learn grammar online every week. In a WH form, you put your WH word, where, you add your helper verb, do, and your subject and verb stay in the same order. So let's try another one. Dwayne teaches because he enjoys it. So write your question word, pause and write your question, and then unpause so you can check it, but try first. So why, my WH word, does Dwayne teach? So Dwayne, not teachers, teaches. So Dwayne teaches in the statement form stays in the same order here. So we have our WH word, then our helper verb, do, and then the subject and verb are in the same order, the main verb, the subject and main verb. And notice we have that S again. So in present simple, in the question, does gets the S, not the verb. Okay? So I hope this was helpful. Tell me if it was helpful, or if you'd like to see more examples. We'll do more examples, of course, all through the semester. And that's the end of part 2.